A hearty welcome to you all. As a part of NSS, we, the final year students of Chemist College of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research in Ernakulam, are here to present a video on the awareness of a deadly disease, leptospirosis.
Is it true that a rat can make a disease?
Yes, it is called leptospirosis.
How is that possible?
Leptospirosis, infectious disease. Symptoms begin from 2 to 25 days.
Animals like the rat, opossum, skunk and fox.
Through contaminated food and water, through infected soil and water, through broken skin and other open parts like eyes, nose, ears, mouth and soft tissues.
Symptoms: eye pain, chill.
Symptoms: headache, muscle ache.
Watery and red-eye, abdominal pain, diseases of the heart, liver, kidney and lungs.
How can we prevent it?
Treatment: antibiotics, hospitalization, dialysis.
Now this gives a brief description how leptospirosis is transmitted. Transmission can occur by direct contact with infected animals or through indirect contact with water or soil contaminated with urine from infected animals. Now let's see what is the pathogens of leptospirosis. Leptospira enters the body by penetrating mucous membrane or skin abrasions, and they disseminate through the hematogenic route, and they affect organs, which leads to hemorrhagic pneumonitis, hepatitis, interstitial nephritis, meningitis and encephalitis, and eventually leading to death. But there are some preventive measures that we can take ourselves to prevent from the disease. The first one is avoid contact with water or soil that may be contaminated with animal urine. Secondly, always try to take boiled water. Thirdly, cover any cuts or abrasions and wear protective clothing. And finally, talk to your healthcare provider about taking medicines to prevent leptospirosis. And always remember, prevention is better than cure.